Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because it is an update to the whole collection project pan. Now, because I took a little bit of a break in February, I didn't upload much at all, I think I started to upload at the end of February. I missed a month of update in February, so that means we are working with a 2 months of progress on this project pan, which is super exciting because even though you didn't see the progress month by month, I think there is more significant progress after 2 months. So if you're interested in seeing how I did throughout the 2 months with this project, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I rolled in was my Colourpop Lunar Has It blush, and this is what it looks like. Now, my goal is basically to hit pan on this, so it's going to be difficult, to be honest, because this is a blush, and I actually took out the pan of this. I can show you now, and it is quite deep, if you can see that, so it is going to take a while for me to hit pan on it, but that's okay. I think I'll be able to work with it. This is going to be in here for a very long time, but I am not giving up. This is a beautiful blush. It is neutral, kind of peachy, bronzy, neutral kind of shade. This is what it looks like, and it just works with almost every single eye look that I do. It is the blush that I'm wearing right now, and as you can see, even though I have purple eyes, it still goes well with it. So I am enjoying my time with this particular blush, and I don't mind having it in the project. Now I used since my last update, so since the introduction, I used this blush 11 times. So steady going. It is going to take probably like 100 uses for me to hit pan, but that's okay. We'll work on it slowly but surely. The next product that I rolled in was my Lacura translucent powder, and let me just even this out. There is so little left. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is all that I have left in this particular, look, you can barely see it there. This is all that I have left in this particular product. So this probably one more month and I will be out of it, and this will get rolled out. This is one of my favorite powders. This is very reminiscent to the this is supposed to dupe the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now, I personally haven't tried the Laura Mercier powder, so I can't attest whether it is a dupe or not. Nevertheless, I enjoy it. It's not very heavy. It sets my makeup perfectly. It works well for underneath my eyes as well as all over my face, so I really enjoy it. Now, since the introduction, I had used this particular product 21 times, so I'm super proud of it. I think about 20 more uses and this will be done. My goal basically is to use this product up before I roll it out, so I can't wait to hit this goal. The next product that was rolled in was my Saint Luxe Lipliner in the shade Cupid. Now, for this particular product, I set myself a goal to use it up as far as where my finger is. Now, as you can see, I do not have a lot left. You will see in the pictures how much I have used. And oh my god, if I put my mind to it, I think I will be able to finish this guy off for next month also. That will be super exciting. So let's talk about usage. Since the introduction, I had used this lip liner 10 times. I think 10 to 15 more times and this will be or my goal will be met, which is super exciting. This is a really nice lip liner. I really like the color. It is kind of a rosy kind of shade, so it goes well with my lip glosses, and I usually have lipsticks in this kind of shade because I just licked and put it here so that I can get rid of it, because I'm too lazy to take out my micellar water to get rid of it. Ignore that, okay? But yeah, like I said, I think next month this will be also a goal met, and I can't wait for this to happen. It is a nice lip liner. I enjoy it. I don't think I'll be able to use it up because, you know, no, that's not the point of this. I want to enjoy my products, which, you know, I do. The next product that I rolled in is my Huda Beauty liquid liner. This particular product has two sides. It has the pencil side, which I use, but it's not the side that I, you know, rolled into this project. I actually rolled in the liquid liner side, and because this is opaque packaging, I can't really, you know, give myself a you know, a goal to either finish it off or hit a particular, you know, goal where I can mark it. So I've given myself the goal to use this 25 times. As of today, I had used this 10 times, so 15 more times, and this will be out of the project. Now, I really like this liquid liner because it is very long lasting. It looks great on my hooded eyes. It doesn't transfer, you know, it just stays put. However, it is an absolute bitch to take off. So, you know, just a warning there, okay? If you're looking for a very, very waterproof eyeliner because, you know, for some reason maybe your eyes water or you have hooded eyes like me and everything transfers, this is your guide. But just beware, it does transfer. Yeah, I said my goal is to use it 25 times and I use it 10 times. I really enjoy it, and, you know, I'm hoping my goal will be met next month. And then the last product, and the product that I'm the most excited about, was my Marc Jacobs Fantastic bronzer, and my goal was to hit not major, not particular, but oh, what's the word that I'm looking for? Significant pan, because there was little specks of pan already in this. So when I open it up, this is the pan that I have, and, you know, in my opinion, this is a very significant pan, at least for me, and I'm so excited. So that was my goal, to hit pan, and it actually took me only 5-ish times to hit this, you know, to hit pan that I considered significant, but I kept using it, and before I put it away, I used it overall 12 times. This is one of my favorite bronzers ever because it is a nice neutral color. It suits my skin tone. It's not too orange, it's not too cool toned. It's just a really, really good it's just a really good bronzer. That's all I'm gonna say. You know, it's very expensive, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you have a very similar complexion to myself, which is, you know, fairly fair, if you will. So that means we are rolling out one product and we are rolling in a new one. Okay, so I have the Pretty Random app all ready to go. I have all of the items that I own in a spreadsheet. I think my spreadsheet is up to date. I'm, you know, fingers crossed that I do. So what we're going to do is we are going to roll one number, and the number that we got is 161. Now, before I even tell you what the product is, I want to remind you of my rules. So there's only one item per category, so one foundation, one concealer, one powder. I don't want to work on multiple, you know, items in one category. There's no eyeshadow palettes in this project for me because I do a Pan Those Eyeshadows project separately. You know, I only pan 5 products, that's it, and there is no skincare in this project also. Now this might change, I might introduce skincare as I use products up, but for now, no skincare. Okay, so let me open up my spreadsheet to see what number 161 is. And number 161 is a Douce Winterberry lip liner. Now, because I am already working on the Saint Luxe lip liner, I am going to re-roll again. So let's see, and I got number 85. I'm just going to write it down so I don't forget. Number 85, okay, interesting. 85, oh, I do have eyeshadows here. Oh, I have single shadows, no eyeshadow palettes. Never mind, I have single shadows. So I rolled in the Glossybox Glossy Mauve single eyeshadow. So let me fish that out and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the product. It is a single shadow from Glossybox. Now I've received this in a Glossybox like years ago, okay, and I still have it. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, there is a little bit of wear on it, and I'm just wondering, okay, I'm just going to swatch it for you real quick before I make up my mind on what the goal I want to have for this one. So this is what it looks like. It is very sheer, cool toned, kind of purpley, dark purple satin eyeshadow. And let me think. You know what? I want to hit pan on it. Yeah, I think I want to hit pan on it. So my goal for this particular project is for this particular product is to hit pan. Now because I already have a nice dip in it, you know, it might not take long, we'll see, but I'm not sure how deep this pan is. I don't know, but I guess we will see. So yeah, this is the 5th product, along with my lip liner, my liquid liner, my translucent powder, my blush, and my lip, right? Oh yeah, and this eyeshadow. I'm just so confused. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy these project pan videos, because I enjoy project panning and I enjoy filming them. I enjoy talking about it. It's just one of my, you know, kind of favorite niches on YouTube. But yeah, like I said, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.